10 also. This I am giving you solutions. So firstly, what we check, so your internet working or not working, because when you browsing, so writing is no internet. So please check your backside when you putting LAN card, so light is blink or not, one light stable and second light continuously blink, and this is giga light and this is non giga light. Giga light means 1000 mbps, and if blink orange means 100 mbps. So one is stable and one continuously blink. Okay, that's why is your line is okay. And then you can check troubleshoot the manual IPs, and a lot of have solutions. Okay, then you go to control panel, and internet sharing centers, and click to internet, and properties, IP version 6 is checked to unchecked, because IP version is not and use this gateway 8.8.8. And then okay, close, then click to change adapter settings. If in your systems like showing this disable, so please right click to enable. Okay, then close tab, and firstly guys, you troubleshoot, go to setting, and then system, in system slow down and troubleshoot options, other troubleshoots, and this is first internet connections to run. Have any issues like gateway problems, your internet's expired, and your internet down, what we have any issues, so we have to show in this dialog box. Okay. Okay guys, troubleshoot connection was the internet. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you. Have any issues, so please comment me, and I will help you.